I've noticed that a lot of people who play guitar in church, they don't know how to play melody lines over chord progression. And I believe this is the reason why when we get to watch and learn all those things, like we learn our scales, we learn the pentatonic major scale, how to play all those licks and all of that. Sometimes we just go on YouTube and learn them, but then we don't know how to apply them in a practical situation, right? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple pattern, and I'm not going to stop there. I'm going to show you the application in real life so that you understand how to play this thing in a worship song, all right? Now, I've created 3 other videos on worship guitar, so if you are still struggling to play worship and you have not watched those things, that's the reason why you are still struggling. So check it out and check the channel, because I have a lot of tutorials on worship guitar playing. So let's get right into the video. All right, so before we get started, it is important that you already know how to play your major scale. If you don't know how to play your major scale, you shouldn't watch this video because you're not going to understand it. So watch other videos first. This video is for people who know how to play their major scales, number 1. Number 2, this video is for people who already know how to play their major scale in different position, and this video is for people who already know how to play the major scale on every string. The importance of that cannot be overemphasized. I've taught how to do that, so check out how to do it. At least know how to do it on every string, because the pattern I'm going to show you is based on that. So if you have not learned how to do that, just pause this video, watch that one before you come back to this one. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is to know the chord progression of the song first, because it's going to help us to create this pattern for ourselves. Now, the song we're going to use is Yeshua, and the chord progression is, of course, we all know it, Yeshua. I'm playing the key of C, 4, then it's still on the 4 again, 4, then 5, 6, then 3. And if you are struggling to find the chord progression of songs and you don't have what to practice with, I'm going to show you a tool that you can use to get any backing track at all. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Don't miss out on this. So practice the chord progression. So once you get it, now I'm also going to attach the chord progression so that you practice this pattern. This is what the pattern sounds like. And what I'm doing is very, very simple. So look closely to what I'm doing. This is the explanation. You pick a note, play one note above it, play the note again, then play 2 notes after that note. So da, da. So it's the notes, then up, 1, 2, 3. Sounds easy, right? Now pause the video and practice it and play it. Then play it slowly. Da, da. Now we're going to learn how to do this. Remember our major scale, right? Our major scale is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Now the reason why I said you should be able to play it on one string, the major scale on one string, because we're going to plug this pattern into different notes in the major scale. So we're going to go from do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So if we plug it in do, this is what it will sound like. If we plug it in re, this is what it will sound like. If we plug it in our mi, if we plug it to fa, so, la, then ti, then do. So pause this video and practice it step by step. Just understand the formula I just taught you, then plug it. You can go to any position and continue like that. Once you have been able to do that successfully and practice it across the major scale on one string. Once you are able to do that, your major scale, the normal major scale, learn how to plug this pattern into the major scale. Don't go yet, because I'm not showing you how to play it practically, and I'm going to do that very soon. So follow me carefully. All right. So then I go to my normal mi here, re. Then I go to the mi here. Then my fa. So. Then la. Then do. Perfect. Clap for yourself, clap for yourself. Now that we have learned this, we are going to apply this into our chord progression. Do you remember our chord progression, Ellie? It's Yeshu, Fa, Fa, then Sol, La, right? Sol, La, then Mi. Alright? Then if we plug this formula now into this chord progression, are you ready for what it sounds like? And if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, just know that you are not doing me well, because it's going to help my videos go far and make other people see it. You're not going to see more videos like this, so do that right now. Hit the notifications bell after subscribing. So let's go back. If we plug that formula now, this is what it sounds like. What did I do? I'm playing for Fa. I just went to Fa and I plugged that formula. La, then I go for La, then Mi. Easy peasy. Guys, this thing is going to help you to create your lead lines like on any song. All you need to do, let me take it again, just get the chord progression first, and you understand. If you understand it, break down the chords. Our advice is to just write down the chords. What are the chords? Fa, Sol, La, for example, right? Then you now say, okay, what is the formula? Remember the formula then. The formula is you play one note above the, you pick a starting point. Then play one note above the starting point. Go back to the starting point. Then play two notes after the starting point. So starting point, up, starting point, then two notes after. Alright, that's the formula. Then after you do that, then you carry it and plug it into the chord progression of the song. And that is it. You have created your own lead lines. I believe that was very helpful. So like I said, I've created a lot of videos on worship. Do well to check it out. In the next video, I'm going to show you another formula that is going to blow your mind totally. Same type of formula. I'm going to show you tips, right? So if you found this helpful, I want you to subscribe and don't just go. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.